It's been a long time since I last uploaded a video, and today just got home from work. I am still in my working uniform, and because of corona I have to wear this extra protection for myself. So I have headgear, and also the most important of all is the surgical mask. So I hope you are all good and keep safe always. So today I decided to recreate my tutorial video on how to start up your manual transmission. So I hope you will learn something not new, but I hope you will learn something. Yeah, let's do this. So first we will recap the most important parts of your car. So first we have your steering wheel, we have your horn, your gear shift, your key ignition. You also have your 3 pedals. Since it is manual transmission, we have your gas pedal, your foot brake pedal, and your clutch pedal. So in here we also have your, this is for your wiper, and the other side is for your turning signal. So first we will insert our key. So this is a Toyota Fortuner, and then insert it. So in your key ignition, as you can see, you have your lock, your ACC, or it stands for accessory position, on, and your start. So insert your key. So the first stop is your accessory. Next, turn it again. So the car will turn on. So merong mga ibang sasakyan, especially sa manual transmission, na before you can fully start up your car, first you have to step on your pedal. So step it fully and then start your ignition. Did you hear it? So that's it. Drive safely. Bye-bye.